Hey there, welcome to Web Dev Insider. My name's Henry Dustin, and I'm your host for this channel. If you're looking to dive into the world of web development, you've come to the right place. Here, we'll explore the tools, techniques, and tips that I use to build websites. One of the essential tools in my toolkit is Visual Studio Code. It's a powerful code editor that supports a wide range of programming languages and comes with tons of customization options. Next, we have Chrome. As a web developer, it's my go-to browser for testing and debugging websites. Lastly, there's Spec Editor. This lightweight text editor is known for its speed and efficiency, making it a great choice for writing code with your smartphone. It can be Android and iOS. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, join me as we explore the exciting world of web development together. Chrome has cemented Chrome has cemented its position as the go-to browser for many web developers. Its popularity stems from a combination of powerful features, a vast ecosystem of extensions, and consistent performance. Let's delve into the reasons why developers gravitate towards Chrome. Number 1. Developer tools. Chrome's DevTools offer a robust set of tools for debugging, profiling, and inspecting web pages. From the Elements panel for DOM inspection to the Network panel for analyzing resource loading, developers have everything they need at their fingertips. The DevTools are designed with developers in mind, providing an intuitive interface and clear documentation. This makes it easy to learn and use, even for beginners. Google regularly updates the DevTools with new features and improvements, ensuring that developers always have access to the latest tools and techniques. Number 2. Vast ecosystem of extensions. Chrome's extensive library of extensions allows developers to customize their browsing experience and streamline their workflow. From code editors and task managers to productivity tools and design resources, there's an extension for almost every need. The Chrome Web Store is a thriving marketplace where developers can discover and contribute to a wide range of extensions. This fosters innovation and collaboration within the developer community. Number 3. Performance and compatibility. Chrome is known for its excellent performance, ensuring that web pages load quickly and run smoothly. This is especially important for developers who need to test their websites and applications in real-world conditions. While Chrome is a popular choice, it's essential to ensure that websites and applications work across different browsers. Chrome's compatibility with web standards and its widespread use make it a reliable choice for testing and development. Number 4. Integration with Google services. If you're heavily invested in Google's ecosystem, Chrome offers seamless integration with other Google services like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. This can simplify your workflow and improve productivity. Number 5. Regular updates and support. Google frequently releases updates for Chrome, introducing new features, security patches, and performance improvements. This ensures that developers are always working with the latest version of the browser. Chrome has a large and active developer community that provides support, resources, and answers to common questions. This can be invaluable for developers who encounter issues or need assistance. In conclusion, Chrome's combination of powerful features, a vast extension ecosystem, and consistent performance makes it a compelling choice for web developers. Whether you're building complex web applications or debugging simple websites, Chrome has the tools and features you need to succeed. Another developer tools is Visual Studio Code. Why VS Code remains a developer favorite year after year. Visual Studio Code, VS Code, is a code editor from the Microsoft family. It is free to use, open source, and compatible with Windows, Linux, and macOS operating systems. VS Code falls under the same category as Atom, Sublime, and Text Wrangler. But it also has more advanced features and many regularly updated extensions. At its heart, Visual Studio Code features a lightning-fast source code editor, perfect for day-to-day use. With support for hundreds of languages, VS Code helps you be instantly productive with syntax highlighting, bracket matching, auto-indentation, box selection, snippets, and more. Intuitive keyboard shortcuts, easy customization, and community-contributed keyboard shortcut mappings let you navigate your code with ease. For serious coding, you'll often benefit from tools with more code understanding than just blocks of text. Visual Studio Code includes built-in support for IntelliSense code completion, rich semantic code understanding and navigation, and code refactoring. And when the coding gets tough, the tough get debugging. Debugging is often the one feature that developers miss most in a leaner coding experience, so we made it happen. Visual Studio Code includes an interactive debugger, so you can step through source code, inspect variables, view call stacks, and execute commands in the console. VS Code also integrates with build and scripting tools to perform common tasks, making everyday workflows faster. VS Code has support for Git, so you can work with source control without leaving the editor, including viewing pending changes diffs. Customize every feature to your liking and install any number of third-party extensions. While most scenarios work out of the box with no configuration, VS Code also grows with you, and we encourage you to optimize your experience to suit your unique needs. VS Code is an open-source project, so you can also contribute to the growing and vibrant community on GitHub. VS Code includes enriched built-in support for Node.js development with JavaScript and TypeScript, powered by the same underlying technologies that drive Visual Studio. VS Code also includes great tooling for web technologies such as JSX React, HTML, CSS, SCSS, LESS, and JSON. Architecturally, Visual Studio Code combines the best of web, native, and language-specific technologies. Using Electron, VS Code combines web technologies such as JavaScript and Node.js with the speed and flexibility of native apps. VS Code uses a newer, faster version of the same industrial-strength HTML-based editor that has powered the Monaco Cloud Editor, Internet Explorer's F12 tools, and other projects. Additionally, VS Code uses a tool service architecture that enables it to integrate with many of the same technologies that power Visual Studio, including Roslyn for .NET, TypeScript, the Visual Studio debugging engine, and more. Visual Studio Code includes a public extensibility model that lets developers build and use extensions, and richly customize their edit, build, debug experience. If you prefer a code editor-centric development tool or are building cross-platform web and cloud applications, we invite you to try out Visual Studio Code and let us know what you think. To download VS Code for Windows, go to https://code.visualstudio.com, download the Visual Studio Code installer for Windows. Once it is downloaded, run the installer, vscodeusersetup.exe. This will only take a minute. By default, VS Code is installed under C++ users plus our username, which app data local programs Microsoft VS Code. Another developer tools for smartphone user, whether it is Android or iOS, is Spec, SPCEC, pronounced as Spec. Editor enables you to work on JavaScript projects whenever, wherever. If it's a new single-page app, a game, data visualizations, 3D simulations, or anything else that can be realized using the magic of JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, Spec Editor hopes to be the code editor of your choice. Spec Editor is currently available on the Play Store for Android 5.0 Plus and on the App Store for iOS. Code hints are an essential aid to mastering external libraries. They also offer a convenience in your own code and provide incentives to better document code with JS-doc comment strings. Make less typos with the awesome code completion provided by the editor. Code completions are handled by the awesome TypeScript libraries provided by VS Code. The editor supports a variety of themes, including Xcode, Chrome, Dracula, Monokai, IU Mirage, and IU Lite. If you ever need to preview a Markdown file, you can do so right in the editor. Built upon the awesome Markdown library, export your changes right to your GitHub repo. If you need to make live edits to GitHub, you can do so right in the editor. The editor provides basic GitHub integration, including code diffs, highlighted files with changes, pulling and committing. Live previewing is a feature so essential, it's barely worth mentioning. However, Spec Editor supports two modes of previewing, in a separate browser tab as well as an inline iframe for quicker edits to preview. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more web development content. Don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.